Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So, do you want to know about Lila's Dream Bakery com reviews? So, here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So, please stay connected with us. Also, guys, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you have already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So, please stay tuned with us. People from the United States are very curious to know about this site. So please make sure to watch the full video and get to know about the full details of this site. So first of all, we are going to talk about this website's type and the products they deals with. So this website is an online shopping store which deals with bakery products. They offer cookies online, as you can see. In their main homepage, they have offered their products. So if you're interested in checking these products out, you have to visit their official site. And also, guys, this website is asking donation for Lila's treatment. So you can check this out as well. So next we are going to check their payment method. They have given it here. You can pay through Amex, Apple Pay, Google Pay, JCB, MasterCard, PayPal, Visa, and some others. Now, if you want to know about the shipping timing, go to the shipping policy page section and then check it. So here they've given it. So they have mentioned that orders usually are processed within 10 to 14 business days, and they've also mentioned that the transit time is 2 to 4 business days, and orders are shipped within 8 to 11 business days. Also, there is another timing out here. So they've also mentioned that the processing timing usually takes 10 to 14 business days, and it is delivered within 4 business days. So you can check this out. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. Now let's discuss about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. Now, talking about the domain information, this website was registered on 3rd of November 2021 and it is going to expire on 3rd of November 2022. So now guys, if you want to know about their about us details, well, this website does not have any separate page section for that, but in their main homepage, they have provided their details. So they have given information about their company and about their brand and also about their founder identity. So you can check this out. So next, if you want to know about their contact details, well, this website does have separate page section, but they haven't provided their contact details out here. So if you want to know about the contact information, go to the terms of service page section, scroll it down till the end, and here you will find it. So they have only given the email address, but the email address name does match the domain name, which is a positive sign of this website. Now, if you want to know about their social media presence, well, this website also has social media presence, which is a positive sign of this website. But now if you want to know about the return and refund policy, well, this website does not have any return or refund policy page section. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. Now, talking about the lilasdreambakery.com reviews, well, there is not exactly any single customer review of this website, but there are news about this website. Also, the news is from trusted site. There are many news about this website, as you can see, and about the donation also. But the trust score of this website is only 1% and the business trust ranking is 58.3%. And the content quality also seems fine. So in the conclusion of the lilasdreambakery.com reviews, this website appears to be a legit website. Though this website is quite new, but there are some news about this website from trusted sites and it also has got social media presence. So it is a legit website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.